Oh, here we go. Hello?
Hello?
Yep, hello?
Is this...
Yeah.
My name is James, and I'm working with Senior Benefit. How you doing today?
I'm doing okay.
God bless you, sir. Well, actually, sir, the reason of this call is about our new final expense program that covers your burial expenses. So our agent just give you a call back with more information. That'll be okay next few days.
What company are you with?
We are with Senior Benefit, sir.
Senior
and we are calling
Benefits?
about final expense program. Yes, sir. So we have a licensed agent, Todd, will give you a... Yes, sir, go ahead. I'm so sorry.
Are you calling from Xander? Because I put an application with them a few months ago. Did they refer you to me?
No, sir, we are calling you from Senior Benefit. That is the division of U.S. Life.
Oh,
so we have a licensed agent from your area. Todd will give you a call back with more information about this final expense program. Is that okay, sir?
I already put in an application with someplace else, and I already do have a term life policy on myself. So I don't. Where'd you get this information from again?
We are from Senior Benefit.
You said that like three. You said that like 3 times already. But who gave you my information? That's what I'm asking.
Oh,
who referred you to me?
Let me tell you, sir. I'm so sorry. Let me tell you. We are getting your information from online requests or senior databases, sir.
Online requests from where? I'm asking what specific company referred me to you guys.
Yes, sir. We are working with as I told you before, we are working with Senior Benefit, and we are located in Florida, and we have a licensed agent from your area. He will give you a call back to give you all the details.
I don't live in Florida anymore.
Exactly. You are not from Florida. I know you are from Connecticut.
Yeah.
And your city is Bristol. Perfect. So we have.
I don't even live in Bristol anymore.
Not a problem.
Look, I'm pretty sure you got me from some. Look. I'm sure you got me from some DMV list or something like that. I'm already covered for my final expenses. I'm not interested in any of this. Can I please be taken off any list that I'm on from your company?
Fuck you.
Or can I please be taken off any list that I'm on from your company?
Fuck you.
Or company? Oh, fuck you too. Did you hear that? He literally said.
Right now. Furthermore.
Did you literally hear that? I pissed this guy off.